Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove restricted mode on TikTok. So before I do that, please click on the subscribe button, like, and also leave a comment. It really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. First thing you have to do is you have to open up your TikTok app. So click on it, open, and once you do that, you look below to click on profile. So once you click on profile, you will look above your screen and you can see the three line or three horizontal dots right there. Click on it and scroll down to content preference. As you can see right here, click on content preference and you can see restricted mode. Click on it and you wait for it to load up. So once it's loaded up, you can now click on turn on. So what it's saying is limit content that may not be comfortable for all audience. If you found content that makes you uncomfortable while in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. So you click on, and once you click on, you're going to select the mode you want to restrict. Want to limit inappropriate content, recent so inappropriate content, casualties, and other reasons. So I'll just click on other reasons, and you can actually share something and click on submit. So once you click on submit, you have actually turned off and it's already on restricted mode. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.